up 8.7% in September, inching closer and closer to the 5-year average for this time of year. It's Friday, October 14th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. You need to know what the local market is doing, so be sure to subscribe for weekly updates. The year-to-date median sold price rose to $330,000. That's another 1.6% increase at the end of September, with the average days on the market rising to 37 days. Cecil and Wicomico counties are still in vogue for buyers as the demand remains high. Dorchester and Queen Annes are moderate. Worcester and Caroline are holding steady. Somerset and Talbot counties are still slow. Kent County remains limited. There are 1,286 homes for sale on the Maryland shore. While this number still reflects a lower level of inventory for the area and prices remain steady, if we begin to see a flood of new inventory on the market, we may see some pricing adjustments as competition rises. For now, we will be watching the numbers daily. Let's look at the inventory movement this past week. 69 properties are coming soon. 164 came to the market since last week's report, another rise for the area. 95 properties are temporarily off the market, which is steady. 48 went under contract, a drop of 26%. 74 properties went to pending, a rise of 5.7%. 117 properties sold at 98.2% list-to-sold ratio and in 14 days. The highest sale this past week was in Oxford for $2,475,000. Rental inventory went up again this week to 79 homes for lease, remaining steady at $1,800 per month. These have been on the market for 20 median days. Thinking about moving, you should feel confident about buying or selling a home. My job as the expert is to provide you with the facts, data, and information, and then bring context to it for you. Call me and let's talk. That's the wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, October 14th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be kind.